right, it is May the 10th, 2025. It is 7:47. We just filled up our bellies at Chick-fil-A. We're on our way to Port St Lucie to Train Collectors Association at the Polish American Club swap meet. All right, all large scale stuff, but it's something to do today.
Yes.
It's an hour and 40 minutes there. Got to go down through Okeechobee, cut across on 70, on 95 for a little while, and then we'll be right there at Port St Lucie. So it's a nice little cloudy day, so nice for driving. So we'll see you when we get there. All right, here we are at the Polish American Social Club, 918. We made it. Say hello, Debbie.
Hi.
Okay.
We made it.
All right, there we go.
In the future, I'm the Vice President of Southern Division of TCA. If you're just attending as general public, we are a train club, collectors, all models, all scales. We're welcoming everybody in. We have a few announcements. We're going to have one more raffle for table holders, so pay attention. And a few announcements as a general source of information. The other thing is that TCA National is having a convention up in Jacksonville in June. If any of you all are interested, go on the website. Hey. What? Okay, thank you. 21 to 28 up in Jacksonville at the Jacksonville Hyatt downtown.
Okay, there you go.
Check with us if we have any more information, but the website is full of information. Again, welcome. We have a few announcements as far as membership is concerned. And I want to introduce our treasurer, Mike Powell, and our communications officer, Bill Draper.
Hey there, baby.
Mike has a brief. Bill, you have an announcement? I just wanted to welcome some of my new members. Okay, there he is, back to the corner. So anybody who joined today, raise your hand. How's that?
150 bucks. There you go. $30 each. All right. Wrong one.
I know.
Huh.
Anything you're looking for?
Yeah, I just wondered if that was plastic.
This is third level.
I know, I got the same problem.
There you go. All right. Real king stuff. Union Pacific. Kenneth Johnson. Okay. Some nice stuff here. Some electrics. A lot of nice old stuff here. $400 for this set right here. This one's $495 right there. My goodness, that's old. $9.95 for the train set there. Nice and shiny. $300 for this set. $3,450 for this set right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got a German 475 in HO, or probably OO scale, huh? That's a nice one. $95 right there.
The compass broke. We got lost.
Thank you, gentlemen, for your service. I should have been there. Thank you. When I was in trade school, and I was like 200, and I actually called because and said, you know,
Northwestern. Okay.
why have I not been called? And they go, because you're in set, because you're in trade.
Get my diploma. The ink was not even dry. And then they go to basic, and then you know, they take a college boy to make his office, and then guys come around. We're looking for tough guys.
Hey there, cutie.
You guys don't do the race.
Huh? Oh, you got. Okay. $110 for the pair. They're beach model railroaders with their O-scale stuff.
You'll see it. It's right on. Oh, you gotta go all the way across here.
Oh, here's some HO-scale stuff. My goodness. $60, $50, $60. Scale stuff here too. All right.
Right.
So 50 and 60 bucks for the locomotives. A little bit high on these, $10 each. Back to O-scale right here. Rail Chief models. $25.
What, you got more there?
Right back.
Cabooses, $15 each. All right. $2.90. Everybody got some to sell. Here's pickles.
Well, you know.
Like Northern Middle School. Passenger said $400. They say everything is rare. A lot of neat automated stuff here. That set's $90. $120 for that set right there. No price on these right here, man. There's some big stuff right here. $625. It's right here. '57 Chevy. Alright, some shirts. Little River Railroad and Lumber Company. Look at that nice shade there.
They're gonna look at the TCA. Oh my God.
I recognize that line on the collector's set.
$300 for that.
Yeah, Lion up, yeah. They call them collectors. Okay, take care. So we're ordering for ourselves.
$200 for the spaceship Earth.
What's happening? I like this video.
Last week, it's there.
Are you ready? How you doing?
Oh yeah, that's a nice collection there.
Yeah, it's the whole set. The whole set.
Yeah. Animated billboard, $5 for that.
Bill, he's back.
Rosemary, I need some change. Rosemary, I need some change. $13. I have to make meal orders wherever I can see
$625.
How you doing?
All right, how you?
Good. Yeah, this is
Okay, thank you.
this is a set where you don't have to get the high-tech transformer and all that. It runs great. Just the baby Hudson and so on. It's never been run. What I did was
More lamps.
I gave one to Robert.
Oh, track's under the table. Okay.
You want to make sure you get everything, huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I put the videos up on YouTube.
Do you really?
Yeah, all the train shows I go to.
Oh, great. Hopefully I'll see
Been
this.
up to the museum in Pennsylvania.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Strasbourg, you mean?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
it's an amazing place. A lot of good stuff up there. Some American Flyer stuff here. We got some dolls.
I work at Disney, Disney daycare. Yeah. But in 6 months they're both speaking perfect English. China.
420, 420, 420. Everything's 420 except for that. $13.95 for the set. Or is that $3.95? $3.95. Okay. Oh, there's Debbie in the postcards and the stickers, huh? Okay, Debbie found a seat.
Yeah.
She's sitting down looking at the pictures and the postcards. Okay, there you go. Nice shade. Alright, at the back end right here, we've been here for about an hour. Okay. Debbie picked up a few things. I ran into about 5 people that watch my videos. Tolga Ibor was here, and another guy that I met in Martin County. So we're heading on out. We had a great time at this train show, and I would like to thank all of you that came up to me and said, "Hey, I watch your videos. Thank you for putting them up there." And I want to thank you for recognizing me and watching those videos. We spent about an hour there, and Debbie picked up a few things, and we hit a couple of thrift stores afterwards, got some gas, and then headed back home. Did my half an hour of walk, did a short walk today because I was walking around through the train show, and then was home by 2 p.m. And then we got lots of rain. So until the next time, we'll see ya, and have fun with whatever you're doing. And by the way, here is the website convention. Oh, here's the convention right here in June. There you go, in Jacksonville, June 21 through the 28th. So if you're a member, you get to go all the days, and I think the last day is open for the public. I think that's what they announced in the event today. So we'll see you there.